Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get command prompt in the desktop. Here you can see I have command prompt here. So how I get this? Click here in the Windows button, okay, from your keyboard, and say here command prompt. Then you will find command prompt here. Now you can actually pin it to the start, okay, so that you can actually find it here. You can see command prompt. On the other hand, you can actually say here command prompt, and now click here in the open file location. From here you just have to right click on it and then go for the show more option, then send to desktop, create shortcut. Now you can actually use command prompt in the desktop. So open it, and if I say here node -v, I'll get Node.js version. If I say here anything, I can actually execute it. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching.